So today I'm going to do another abstract art painting, same as our previous video. Let's get started. First, we're going to do our white background. Okay, now that we're finally done with our white, we're going to pour all our colors, which we have 3 of us, in this giant cup, which is a giant cup to us at least. First up, blue. Okay, we have our canvas, we have our cup, let's go. That's enough. The reason I'm not big. Oh, there's cells in the cup. We barely poured any silicone oil, and there's cells in the cup. Let's keep this as a painting. Okay, now let's be very. It's already dripping from my side, which is just kind of sad. I love how the orange just is taking over everywhere. I'm not going to mind the drops for now. Gosh, it's hard when they're literally dripping on your hand. Oops, dropped over silicone. This is looking good. I had a bad feeling about it because like we were just pouring them directly, not mixing them. Only with the black and white we were mixing. Which if the comments are turned off, sorry, but comment below which one was more messy, this one or our last picture. Because I don't mind it as much, but that doesn't mean it's not as drippy. Oh wow. This just gives me bigger nerve because I feel like I'm holding it perfectly straight, still dripping. Anyway, I think this is going to be the final results. We might do little final touches. Okay, my hands have a different painting. Now it's like greenish blue. Last time it was purple-ish blue and red. we decided not to do any final touches to this. I already love it. Look at all those tiny black cells. I never seen black cells. I was always imagining what they look like. See right over there, some cells. See some black cells? They kind of look like, I don't know how to describe it, but, oh, and there's some white cells. I haven't seen white cells either. On the blue, there's some white cells. I don't think there's a single cells besides white and black, but this is the final painting. Hey guys, if you remember earlier in this video, we made another painting. We tried recreating it. It turned out as this. So that's kind of weird. It looks nothing like the other one. And actually it kind of looks like underwater. Like the blue is like the water. And then I was imagining these cells as fish, and then this was like underwater cactuses, and then this is, or just coral, and this is also coral. If you kind of see it as underwater, tell me in the comments. And also this kind of looks like an evening with the sun right there. So yeah, I love the painting. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So for now, can you just please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any other videos.